Hello, my partiers. It is your favorite girl, Tiffany, back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I am working on Amaya's party decorations and party favors for her birthday party all this week, you guys. So, if you did not watch my video on the Disney princess ideas, go watch that video first and then come back to this video and you will see the different things that I do for Maya's party. But I'm not going to keep you too long. I'm going to jump into this video right now. Okay, you guys. So I am doing the Disney princess theme for Amaya's birthday party. And the main Disney princess that we're going to focus on is Princess Tiana. But I am going to have the rest of the princesses included in this party, you guys. But she's going to be the main focus of the party. This right here is a printout I did of Tiana. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I haven't decided, but I know I like the whole design and how she is in this photo. So I know I like this and I know I'm going to use it. I just don't know where I'm going to use it at yet. But I will definitely let you guys know. But on to the next thing. I just wanted to show you guys before I jump into my project some more things that I have included in Amaya's party. And this is all going to be for the candy table, dessert table, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be for that table. So, first things first, I want to show you guys. See these photo frames, you guys? They're plastic. And I got them from, come on, y'all. You guys that watch my videos, what I'm going to say? The Dollar Tree. Yep, my favorite spot. The Dollar Tree. But I thought these were cute and I thought they fit the princess theme, how the frames are. So I decided to use these two frames on the dessert table slash candy buffet table. And I did print Amaya's pictures out on my computer and put them in here. But I was going to spray paint these, but I'm not sure about that either. I might just leave them silver, just like this. But I thought these would be cute to add on the table. Okay. Let me move these out the way, you guys. Next thing. These little mini snack pills. I have these in my Etsy shop too, you guys. These, I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here. It might be some candy. You could put chips in here. I don't know yet. I don't know. But I know they're going to be cute to set on a table also. So if you guys are looking for these and you can't find these, go to Tiffany's Party Shop on Etsy and you will find these there. And when I ship, it takes 2 to 3 days. So make sure that you put your order in like a week in advance for the ones that are interested in the stuff that I do have. So I'm going to push those to the side. And look, you guys, I found these. And these are going to go on the, I'm not sure if we're going to have a dress-up table. But if we do, they're going to go on a dress-up table. Or you can even put these in the cupcakes. You can do a lot with these rings, but I thought it would be cute to add these to the theme. And I got 2 boxes of these. But I thought these were so cute. These are just like little things you can take and use at your party to make it look fabulous. So here's some rings. Those rings I'm going to be using. But now, let's get down to business. What I'm going to do today is I have these decorative straws that I'm going to use for my marshmallow pops. And also I have these cutouts that I'm going to use, these Tiana cutouts. And I'm going to use these for my straw toppers, for my marshmallows. And I hand cut these out, you guys. It's been a while since I got my Cameo 3. I would say, when did I get my Cameo 3? Probably the middle of last year. But I didn't even have time to get on the thing and play around on the Cameo 3 to get the feel of it. I had a Cricut Explorer, and that's what I would do all my work on. But I disconnected my Cricut Explorer, and I hooked up my Cameo 3, and I have not, I'm going to say it, not. I'm not going to say not. I maybe messed around with it 2 times, and I learned some stuff, and then I forgot it. So I got to go relearn myself all back over again. So until then, I have to kind of do it the old-fashioned way, which is printing and cutting them out yourself. But for those who don't have neither one of the cutting machines, the craft machines, you can also do that. It's time consuming, but it's worth it. It's worth it if you want your party to look nice. But like I said, let's get down to business. I also got my hot glue gun. Y'all know what I want to say about this glue gun. My hot glue gun, but I don't curse, so so my hotter than hotter glue gun. And what I'm gonna do is, she's like a half body cutout, see? So this part of her is gonna go at the almost the bottom of your straw. So when I say like right here, I'm gonna put when I put my marshmallow on here, when I stick my marshmallow in the sticking, blah, 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 blah. Sorry about that. When I put the straw in the marshmallow, there we go. It should come up to here. So it'll look like the marshmallow is part of her body, you guys. Her dress. Whatever. But I'm going to start gluing right here. So I'm just going to dab my little glue on here. Yeah. Just going to glue it on. See? See, you guys? So it's going to be like that. And I got 12 of these to do. And I guess I could talk to you guys while I'm doing my 12. I don't know why I can't seem to talk today. But for her party, you guys, I'm doing, what all am I doing? I'm gonna do some Princess Tiana popcorn, and that's the name that I'm gonna call the popcorn, because I'm gonna do my own sprinkle mix. Probably gonna mix my own sprinkle creation up. I'm not sure yet, but you guys will get to see. And then I'm doing the marshmallow pops. What else? Marshmallow pops, popcorn, the princess popcorn. Um, oh, some gift bags for Maya's guest, party guest. And I'm gonna try to do a video on that too, you guys. How I make them. What else here am I gonna be doing? Oh, you guys, I'm gonna be doing her some Princess Tiana gumball machine party, gumball machine centerpieces for her candy table. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna post a video of it, because to me it's like too early, and I just don't have enough subscribers to do that. But if I can get some subscribers, you guys, I would be willing to show a whole lot more of my work. Like I said, I love crafting, paper crafting, food crafting. I love doing it. So, you guys tell your friends about me. Send them to Tiffany's Party Shop YouTube page, channel. And like I said, with my channel, it's unique. It's not going to be about crafting all the time. There will be different things I will put on my channel. For example, I was having some family fun the other day, and I posted a video of my brothers doing the Taki challenge. You guys, because I just wanted something different on my page. I don't want a boring YouTube channel, I should say. So I try to add different videos on my channel. And you guys follow my brother, DJ So Swagged Out. He's in the Taki challenge video. He is very, very, very funny. Very funny. But he only has a couple of videos up. And he's like a TikTok lover, so he likes doing those videos also. But I got my My Tiana straws all done. I don't know if I want to add something in her hand. Maybe I should add a little frog in her hand, you guys. I don't know. But so far, I got my Princess Tiana straws done. And like I always say in my videos, I will party with you guys next time. And you guys be on the lookout for these Disney princess idea videos I will be doing all this week, all the way up until Saturday. Today is Tuesday, so I'm gonna keep posting them for you guys to see me do this party. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Spread the word about my channel. And I will party with you guys next time. Bye. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.